Hi, Dr. Johannes Garrido here from Valley Chiropractic with more research you can use TV. Disc herniations, disc protrusions, disc bulges, extrusions, these are just some of the common reasons people come to visit a chiropractor. Come to think of it, most people see a chiropractor not just because they have a disc issue, but these disc issues are causing significant impact on the quality of their life. Exciting new research has begun to showcase what we've always witnessed for years, how chiropractic care provides outstanding results for people with spinal disc issues. Specific chiropractic adjustments and techniques have been thought to influence the pressure on your spinal discs. Emerging research has shown that movement, reducing intradistal pressure, and opening up the channels of your nerves that pass through can improve how you feel and accelerate the healing process. Keep in mind, keeping your core muscles strong and flexible can decrease the likelihood of suffering a disc failure herniation. Research has also shown that spinal adjustments can be very effective at reducing pain caused by disc bulges and herniations, and that spinal adjustments were found to be more effective than spinal injections for treating disc issues. Your body has an incredible ability to heal without drugs or surgery, even from disc conditions. A recent study showcased that people with an MRI-confirmed disc herniation that received chiropractic care had better outcomes than those who received injections. If you have an MRI that shows a disc issue, it does not mean you automatically need surgery or an injection. If you have a disc injury slowing you down, please give us a call. You may be able to discover a natural way to find relief. Once again, this is Dr. Johannes Garrido with Valley Chiropractic with more research that you can use media.